TaskRabbit lets you get booked instantly for many local jobs, while Thumbtack often makes you pay for leads before you even talk to the client. That changes your risk before you earn a single dollar. By the end of this, you'll know which platform is better for getting work faster, keeping more profit, and building repeat clients. Here's the quick answer. TaskRabbit is better for speed. Thumbtack is better for service businesses that want bigger projects. That's the real difference. Start with TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit works like a direct booking app. Clients find your profile, see your rates, and hire you. That means less selling. If someone needs furniture assembled today, they can book you fast. That's why categories like moving, mounting, and handyman work do well here. You control your hourly rate. That makes scaling easier. As your reviews improve, you can raise prices. Simple. Now, Thumbtack. Thumbtack works more like lead generation. Clients post jobs and pros respond. That means you're competing earlier in the process. In many cases, you pay for the lead whether you win the job or not. That adds risk. But the upside is bigger jobs. Thumbtack is stronger for things like landscaping, photography, home repairs, and long-term services. Those jobs can be worth more than a quick TaskRabbit task. Now let's talk workload. TaskRabbit is better for smaller, fast turnaround jobs. You can stack multiple jobs in one day. That helps cash flow. Thumbtack usually takes longer. More quoting. More client conversations. More waiting. But if you close a bigger project, it can be worth it. Now repeat clients. Both platforms allow repeat business. But TaskRabbit makes it easier because the app is built around direct rebooking. That saves time. Thumbtack can still work well, but it feels more like chasing new leads. So which is better? Choose TaskRabbit if you want faster jobs, simpler bookings, and lower upfront risk. Choose Thumbtack if you're running a serious service business and want higher ticket projects. A lot of new taskers make one mistake. They choose Thumbtack without understanding lead costs. That burns money fast. Quick recap. TaskRabbit is better for quick, local jobs. Thumbtack is better for larger service contracts. TaskRabbit usually feels easier for beginners. Your next step is simple. Match the platform to your type of work instead of following what other people use. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more side hustle comparisons.